is an SOS video. I don't come here and make such videos if it is not important. Guys, there is a serious problem that is going on. I cannot know what I know now with the information I have been able to extract for the past 48 hours, and I'll keep quiet. There is problem, and there is serious problem going on, and we need to act on it now. If you have been following the news, you see what is happening in Niger State. For the past how many years, there have been serious state of emergency on food. There have been serious problem on food insecurity. The previous government did not bring this out to the public. The thing I'm giving this government is that they were able to come out and declared a state of emergency on food insecurity. As I speak to you right now, in the next couple of months, I kid you not, you and I will not see food to eat as we speak. If you follow the news, just last week, the governor of Niger State came out on video and publicly said they will not be exporting any food away from their state again. In Niger State now, you cannot remove anything.
Trucks who come to park or buy foodstuffs from our villagers in bulk should be halted for now. We have stopped mass purchase from our local market in all our local government from now henceforth until further notice. Anybody found doing that, we have given security agencies go ahead to confiscate those trucks and share the food to the people. Thank you.
Yesterday, if you saw the video of food, usually when you have problem, they say food is scarce anywhere. You go to Kano, there is nothing you will not find there. Right now, if you go to Kano now, they say there is no food. And they just discovered a warehouse where they've been stashing away food. Guys, they have an information we don't have. There is something the North knows. I'm talking to everybody in the South. I'm talking to everybody in the Southeast. Let us wake up. I have been talking to the National Coordinator on Women Farmers, and right now my foundation, everything is going into farm. I am going to with partnership with this organization. I'm starting with the Southeast. I'm going to Imo State next week. We are empowering as much farmers as possible, because the problem these farmers have been having is that even when such certain amount of money is given to farmers, it doesn't get to them. The people in the middle, the intermediaries, with one story or the other, the real local farmers don't get the seedlings and don't get the inputs they need to farm. Now, majority of the things that they plant in the North, we have the capacity to plant it here. Young people, pay attention. Start getting into farming. It is not a dirty thing. You will go hungry. I don't come out and make videos like this if it is not important. There is serious problem, and this is the advantage of what we are going to be doing. If we start giving these seedlings to these farmers, what it first does is that it solves the problem of hunger within our community. So if I have this person planting maize, this person is doing cassava, this person is doing watermelon, this person is doing cucumber, what happens is that within that community, food will become cheap. And not just that, we can now export to other states. Right now, they had to stop exportation of maize outside, because even the one that we are exporting, that we were making, was not enough for the country. So they had to reduce the exportation of maize a couple of years ago, because we don't have enough to eat. This is part of the secret to grow the economy of the Southeast. And you need to find as much as you can. There are 31,000 female farmers in the Southeast. If you join it with the men, there are over 100,000. But I'm starting with the women. That is why we are doing the program we are doing. We need to put seedlings in the hands of as many farmers as possible for free. Netherlands alone during the COVID year made 160 billion euro during COVID year on agriculture. When the world was collapsing, these guys focused on what was most important. We need to wake up as a country. You can't get anything from the north. And if Benue, for example, joins, all the yam that we eat in the southeast comes from Benue. Why can't we plant yam in our village? If they decide to start, there is going to be a problem. So where the problem has been is that these farmers don't have enough capacity, enough input to start farming, to farm what is needed. It is time to wake up, my friends. We've paid so much attention on
but you're going to eh? Biafra will see who go to her. Upon sign me and name Melugi, name your child sign. Only feel I got as a kita. Gaffa, a child go. The child waga can on Asana man, time Meji Hassan. JJ Wapi, few man have Wabulana Mula. So we notice them yet. In all of frown, she who give. And can I frown you? I need decide in Negi. Who can now what as in all a frown you? The good kiss out of my na dress, not I am Nina. You're looking like to wear my happy. Asana Manhattan make question yes. Then you chag almost flag a money I got even now, but yet in all black and hour. Ejina Makagi, Gaffy. Etinena mana mbunu kwenu ebutu okwage inecha mani tufu goduru onwe di mtu so pat side at sakwa side a ime ya hoda ahu mebuziri go onwe iwe ma no na agum
agin na-eme
na agum na
agum a na-ekwu na dollar na 1500 cement na ha ba 7500 ịnọrọ ebe a nụ ihe na-agụghị ụgwọ ihe na-agụ nwa ka m amahọ mba n'ime obi gị iche na ọha agụm n'ime obi gị iche na ọha agụm ihe nene trọza ma ọ gbago brain mụ bịakwa chetakwa na dollar na 1500 o jirikwa ka ya gbada ọha mmadụ chịkọta mmụọ ya ọfụma ka ọ n'ime ha na ego na ọbara mmadụ na-arụkọ ọrụ idotis na trọza na wọ gbago brain m chetakwa na dollar na 1500 onwe ihe gbara azụ n'ime market idiot anụ wee jirikwa ka ya gbada n'ebe a na-asị nchema ha afọ saịn afọrọ saịn niile ị na-enye m maka ịha ngiri ukwu ka nshịkọ ichema afọ nshịkọ style idobere mana it's not my fault abụte to Nigeria na-eje kịta na I don't understand it. The economy uto si agbago kịta na ọ na-emekwusi nwoke nwekuziri libido adults na nwoke signal hazi abata na asụ na nwoke maka idio anụnụ ebe m nwe gosi mekwa isi dollar echeta isi ụbụrụ m echetakwa na dollar na 1500 anụnụ ebe jirikwa ka ebe ihe ị na-asị m na biko ofu ihe ihe emedowe m kịta na is okay, I don't money with the ice block because the way the dollar is moving around now.
With ice block, eti abanya na anu n'ebe ko we gbatu ofuma.
Mba nya ono ya asụkpuzi n'ime ncha. Ọkwa mmiri na awo mete ọ nakpo. Ma ewuze mgbe ice block ma nya anyị chọzi ka o disappear.
Na mgbọsị na dollar gbatukwaziri tu obu 200.
Mommy to biko. Achọghị ka mụ na wuru maka Nigeria nwewe misunderstanding n'ụna. Biko ihe a dollar na-eme na ihe sibeti na-eme. Warehouse ụlọ sisi onwe warehouse m rụọ more than 2 months. The warehouse ka nna ha arụ 6 months now. Na sibeti na-eti ego every day. Dollar na-arị every day. Shop m onwe ha afịa ha aga. For price anyị lere ụnyaahụ ka anyị ere echi. Biko ịmarụ mudu ya ahụ biko jekwa jee wugharị ahụ sie mmiri ọkụ wee wuo ahụ isicha mmiri ọkụ wuo ahụ iwere olive oil ruo n'ahụ na blanket kpuo n'ahụ biko anụnụ ebekwere ekwe mana ụbụrụ dollar ekweghọ biko anụ mmụọ kwere ekwe mana anụ ahụ ekweghọ because the dollar equal. Dollar is flying away. Cement is causing commotion. Everywhere is a scatter in this country. Up and down is a scattering motion. Okay? It's a call me, it's a time me, it's a position.
Okay.
Because don't disturb us.
So what the Dora Bagocha want to Chitapa no Maza Jao question the high lesson. Can you lesson?
Or the Kamaha Puruna.